Next is the ebook publishing step. Enter the price that you want to list your book for. If you want to make your book available for free, you can enter 0.00. However, assuming you are going to sell your book, you will want to enter a different value besides that you think is suitable for your book. This is up to you, what you find would be best. If you scroll down, you can see a digital stores section with popular online storefronts listed. You can check the box next to each one to submit your book to that storefront. If you want to select them all easily, you can simply click this button next to digital stores until it shows a green check mark. And you will notice that all of the boxes next to every storefront have been checked. The projected royalties column shows you what you can expect to get for each sale of your book, based on the price that you entered in the digital book price box. One other thing to note is if you are releasing your book for free, you will want to make sure, under special considerations for each section, that you are adhering by the rules. Such as, for example, this gardener section says, free is not supported. We'll use a price of 99 cents, which means they will not allow you to list a book for free on that platform. As such, you may wish to deselect certain platforms depending on these conditions. Amazon is on its own section, so you have to manually check that box if you wish to have your book on their platform. When you do, you will see an additional window appear. Make sure you agree to all the terms that are shown here. Check the relevant boxes next to each option, and then choose Continue. You can use the Kobo Plus option, just like the digital stores option before it, if you selected Kobo as one of your storefronts. And you may control which territories that your book is available in on their platform. If you scroll down further, you will see a section for library services. A price will automatically be set, by default, based on the amount that you entered for your book initially. Just like before, you can use the library services checkbox to toggle on or off various library platforms where you would like to have your book. If you do not want to make your book available to certain sections or platforms, you can simply click this large button next to that section a second time, and it will turn red and show an X, meaning you do not want to distribute your book at any of these services. Finally, at the bottom, there is a Remember My Store Preferences checkbox. It is checked by default, and if you leave that box checked, the next time you go to publish a book, it will use all the same exact settings that you've used this time. It's up to you whether or not you want to leave that checked or uncheck it. When you are satisfied with all of your settings, click the Submit button. When you click Submit, you will see a rights confirmation window appear. Select the option that applies to you. Most likely, that's going to be the first option that says, I am the original creator of this content. Next, check the confirmation box after reading and agreeing to the Draft2Digital Terms of Service. Finally, click the Publish My Book button, and then you will see the ebook success page. Congratulations, you've successfully published your ebook. If you scroll down from this page, you'll see that it says, Start a print book project? And we will take a look at that next. They also have options available for creating audiobooks, but that is outside the scope of this course. Back on your My Books page, you should now see your book with the status of publishing, which means Draft2Digital is in the process of adding your book to the platforms that you selected. If you need to make any changes, you can use the large buttons at the bottom here that say jump to a step in order to edit. Back on the My Books page, you can click the name of your book, and it will bring you to the View Book page again.